It's a rainy day and my 2014 Nissan Rogue has a leaky sunroof. Look at the headliner, it's all wet. The compartment for glasses has water drips collected on them. And look at the cup holders. They're full of water. Oh, and the floor area soaked. Because using Cat 5 wire fix doesn't work anymore, we're going to be working from under the hood this time. First I'm going to take windshield wipers off. Pop this plastic cover on each one. Next, using a 14mm wrencher socket, I'm going to remove windshield wiper arm nuts. Next, I'm going to remove windshield wiper arms. Now we'll be removing these clips. Now with all clips removed, I will be removing this whole plastic. I don't know what you're gonna do, but if you're gonna attempt this, don't blame me if you ruin something.